This video will show the basics of the IMPALA monitor. The IMPALA monitor is a device used for monitoring the vital signs of patients. It can help you measure several vital signs, like heart rate, oxygen saturation, respiration rate, blood pressure, and temperature. It can be used for patients of all ages, including neonate, pediatric, and adult patients. The monitor is user-friendly and designed especially for African healthcare workers. It's designed for continuous monitoring, which is especially useful for patients who are seriously ill, as it can provide alarms when a patient deteriorates, for example when a patient's oxygen saturation drops. These alarms can help you react promptly so that you can provide emergency care. Continuous monitoring offers benefits by replacing the need for manual vital signs measurements. This will also facilitate proactive care delivery, allowing you to intervene in deterioration before it becomes critical. For patients who are not seriously ill, occasional spot checking may be sufficient. To measure the vitals, the monitor has 4 different probes that can be used: a 3-lead ECG, a pulse oximeter, NIBP cuffs, and temperature probes. In the event of a power outage, the monitor will continue to function for a few hours using battery power. To enable this, always keep the monitor plugged in.